Daily Motive Web presents 22 simple tips to help you keep motivated for study. People often say that motivation doesn't last. Well, neither does bathing. That's why we recommend it daily. Number 1. Set a large target or goal. Larger goal has big effect and can create a lot of motivation. Number 2. Make each day count. Focus on the work you have marked for the particular day and work on it. Number 3. Start slow. Step by step, instead of jumping into something at full speed, step slowly. Number 4. Meet people. Get motivated from people around you. Number 5. Learn from defeat. Be constructive from the failure. Learn from it and make it more valuable. Number 6. Keep reminding your goals. Write reasons for working towards them and watch it as your day starts and before your day ends. Number 7. Compete only against yourself, not others. There is only one unique you. You just have to make the efforts to be the best of you. Comparing yourself with others will kill your motivation. Number 8. Keep usage of mobile, television, or any other distraction very minimal. Number 9. Keep a regular routine by waking up and sleeping at the same time. Number 10. Always write and practice things that helps you to remember and keeps your brain active, hence you won't sleep. Number 11. Avoid heavy and junk food. Just eat home food that's too hot and non-oily and full of veggies. Number 12. Sip hot water instead of normal or cold water. Number 13. Use music that too energetic ones while doing subjects in which you would be solving questions, and avoid music while doing theory subjects. Number 14. It's better to join library but avoid joining with friends or making friends there except if you find some really studious, as making friends would defeat the purpose of joining library. Number 15. Live in a positive frame of mind. Research suggests that the human brain works at its best when it is in a positive frame of mind. Positivity increases productivity, helps you keep motivated and think clearly. Research also suggests that people tend to initiate each other's positive actions, hence be in the company of people who have a positive attitude in life. Number 16. Emotionally connect with your study goal. At times when your motivation to study is down, remind yourself why you wanted to achieve your study goal in the first place and identify the factors that made you choose your study goal. Number 17. Be self-responsible. In most cases, you are the architect of your own destiny, and it often helps if you remind yourself that you are the one responsible of setting up your academic goals. In the first place, you have a choice. You alone can influence your chances of success in reaching your goal. Remember, the greatest people in this world have mostly arisen under the most ordinary circumstances. They all share one common trait. They take responsibility for their own actions and they have a willingness to constantly improve themselves in every area of life. Number 18. Visualize success but also take massive action to achieve your academic goals. Visualize in your mind for a minute or two every day that you have achieved your academic goal and that you and your parents and friends are happy about it. Remember that feeling. But only visualizing is not of much use. You have to pursue your goal with determined focus and consistent action. Number 19. Reset your brain periodically. Give yourself breaks while pursuing your study goal, as otherwise even the most motivated person can burn out. Make some me time. Carving out some time to be alone with your thoughts will give your mind a break from all the study related information overload. A few minutes of meditation can help you connect with yourself. Meditation is very soothing and calming for the mind, as it builds awareness of your thoughts as they float by your conscious mind. Number 20. Take care of your mental and physical health. Mental hygiene is as important as body hygiene. If you only study all the time without giving your mind any rest, then your brain is bound to get tired after some time and you will lose interest in whatever you are studying thereby. Reducing your learning efficiency, build at least 30 to 45 minutes of physical exercise or playing sports into your daily timetable. Number 21. Make friends with water. Drink adequate water every day to keep your brain sharp and to keep yourself nourished, as long periods without drinking water negatively affects memory and attention. Number 22. Create a comfortable study environment. Honest students do not make the excuse of I could not reach my study goal as I did not get the study environment. Like what? There is no such thing as an ideal study environment. Make the best use of resources and circumstances at your disposal and pursue your study goal like your life depends on it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so we can keep making videos. For more videos, please subscribe Daily Motive Web. Also make sure to watch our other videos.